Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a quick and easy to make recipe for butter garlic shrimps. This can be served as an appetizer or even as a side dish during lunch or dinner. So, let us begin with the preparation. First, I'm taking the main ingredient, shrimps. They are cleaned and deveined. Now, for a simple marination, into the shrimps I'm going to add a pinch of salt and about a quarter teaspoon of ground pepper. It's time to mix them and coat the shrimps well. It is ideal to keep it to rest for about 15 to 30 minutes. But if you are in a hurry, you can use it immediately as well. In the meantime, I'm going to get ready with the second ingredient. Here I've taken 1.5 bulb of garlic, which counts to about 15 to 20 large garlic cloves. The use of fresh garlic along with butter gives an amazing flavor and aroma to the dish. And if you're using the small garlic cloves, then take 2 large bulbs of garlic for this recipe and make fine choppings of the garlic. And here we have the chopped garlic ready to use. So let's keep it aside and start with cooking. Heat a pan at medium to low flame. I'm adding olive oil, as the oil gets heated, add butter. Now keep at low flame so that the butter does not burn. Next, into the pan, we're going to add the marinated shrimps. After adding the shrimps, increase the flame from medium to high. So, it is always ideal to cook the shrimps at high flame for a total of about 5 to 6 minutes. Spread the shrimps evenly on the pan. And cook on one side for about 2 to 3 minutes. After that, flip to the other side and cook for another 2 minutes. Stir in between to get it evenly cooked on all the sides. The overcooking of shrimps can make it dry and lose the softness. By this time, the shrimps will be about 70% cooked. Now into the same pan, I'm going to add the chopped garlic. Let's roast the garlic for about 1 minute or till it turns slightly brown. Then combine the garlic with the shrimps and coat them well. So here we are almost done and have come to the end of cooking. Reduce the flame to very low. And as I said in the beginning, this is a very quick and easy to make, yet delicious recipe for all seafood lovers. Now for an additional spice, I'm going to add some red chili flakes. And also, if you have the fresh parsley, then chop them fine. Then add them to the pan for a feel of freshness and aroma. So it's time to give the final good mix. Lastly, I'm also adding a small piece of butter. Now it's time to check salt and add salt or pepper if necessary. And here we have the super delicious butter garlic shrimps ready to serve. So let's off the flame. It is an amazing appetizer and goes well with flatbreads, rice, noodles or anything of your choice. Do try this recipe and make at home. Then serve hot and enjoy with your family. But do not forget to share with us your feedbacks. Thank you for being with us and hope to see you in our next video. Until then, stay happy and healthy.